God damn it! Why is the woman so useless?
Where do you put
Put- Serve
wait.
it on it and then take the seaweed, man.
Yeah, but it didn't serve on it. Oh!
You just didn't click, you stupid.
Does it work?
No! Seaweed or fish sushi! No, you're stupid!
Can we restart?
Oh my sous chef is useless! Alright, 慢慢来. You see, 这两个一模一样. It's only
You need to
cucumber
understand.
oil.
Overcooked one is all soup. So I'm not used to solids.
Oh,
Oh, it's cucumber oil.
yeah, these two are the same. So this one is just dressing you can do later. Rice don't work. That's why for you, I already tell you 3 cucumber, 2 fish. That's it. 3 cucumber, 2 fish.
Wait, so
That's it.
Right, cutting, where's the best place to put it? That's easiest.
Okay,
Where's
so
the serving?
serve direct.
Here, serving is
Serve
here.
here, but doesn't matter. I can do the serving. I already put all the rice there. You just put it on the damn plate. Oh my god, my kitchen's on fire. How do I restart? Wait, hold on.
Boy, I'm
Hold on,
shitting
we need a
this.
break. Mother, my sous chef sucks. My sous chef sucks.
Oh, buddy.
I don't have a lot, but the thing is, I don't have a lot of like table space. I only have 2 tables. Because stupid fire extinguisher. Oh. Why? Why is there a hole? Why is there a hole there? Oh, no, what the hell is there a hole there, man?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's
That
damn.
was damn fun.
That was damn.
There's only tortilla. That one has no rice.
Hey, tortilla, sister. Oh, let me eat tortilla. Sister, you're giving the wrong orders. You need to put tortillas. Ah, god damn it,
I
sister.
cannot see. Let's do that again. When you're getting the dessert.
Wait, so you've been serving on. You have one job.
Tortillas.
They asked, we are tortilla restaurant. Why are you serving beans and fish? Beans and chicken. Oh, god damn it, woman. You're blind.
So only one had tortilla.